Did you know that you could earn up to $750 per day online just by spelling out names correctly?
For real?
Yes, for real. And the good part is that you don't need any investments, degree, or some kind of special skills. You can earn $750 or more completely for free with zero experience from anywhere in the world. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I am going to give you a bonus that will allow you to get accepted faster. And not only that, I will show you some special tools that will triple your earnings, hence more money in your bank account. Warning: the sign-up process on this website is not your usual type, where you just put in your names, email address, and abracadabra you are done. No. On this one it's totally different. Do you know why?
No, I don't think so.
It's because the signing process comes with a timer, so any slight mistake from you, it's out the door, and
You are fired!
even before you get hired. And that's why I strongly urge you to watch this video carefully until the end, so that you don't miss out on any important information. But before I show you the name of this website, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you each time we upload a new video on how to make money online. And if at all you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for any suggestion or question. Now let's get it on. Just a quick question. Do you know what proofreading is? You can comment down in the comments section below if you know the answer. For those of you that do not know, proofreading is when you thoroughly and carefully check a written text for any grammatical errors, whether that be issues with spelling, punctuation, grammar, consistency, or formatting. So, you could be given an assignment or script asking you to correct some grammatical errors, which could be in the form of punctuations, grammar, or just some simple spellings, and once you are done correcting the errors, you get paid. It's that simple. And just how much can one make online as a proofreader? Well, according to research, it's estimated around $25 to $50 an hour, depending on how fast and good you are. But don't worry, I'm going to show you some tools that will do all the grammatical and spelling checks for you, and all you have to do is submit your work and make bank. Now, you might ask a question saying, do I need a degree or a diploma? And the simple answer is, no, you don't. Now that you know what's required of you, let's head over to Google and check out the name of this website that will pay us for spelling out some names. Open your browser and type in proofreadingservices.com. Click on the link that comes up and you will find yourself on the homepage of proofreadingservices.com. Right on this website, as you scroll down you will see that they have several payment methods for convenient purposes such as PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and many more. You will also see that they offer a different number of services, including professional resume or CV writing, academic editing for those of you students, and they also offer business services. But we are not going to go deep into that because we are here to spell out some words and get paid. Right? Cool. Now if you check on this website, you won't see where it says apply and work with us. So what I want you to do is this. Right in front of proofreadingservices.com, I want you to add /pages/careers and hit enter. Once you do that, you will find yourself on this page that says join our proofreading team. I want you to scroll down and you will see a big red button that says apply to be an online proofreader. Click on it and you will land on this page where you will see a preliminary applicant test form that you need to fill up and answer all the 21 questions below in a time limit of 20 minutes. And trust me, time will definitely run out on you before you finish answering the questions unless you are familiar with the answers. But to ensure your success, I have a much better solution for you. Like I promised at the start of this video, if you stick around until the end, I am going to reveal to you a secret that will allow you to answer all the questions in less than 3 minutes tops. Alright, that being said, let us see how we can go about filling up this application form. Start by writing your first name, followed by your last name. If for example, your name is Cabbage Fish, then go ahead and write your full name. But remember to use your real details, don't give fake information, be honest. Once you have entered your name, enter your email address, mostly the one you use on Google. So, as an example I'll just put one of mine here, for educational purposes, make sure you don't use mine. Once you are done, put in your city, state, and your country of residence. As you can see they are accepting applicants from around the globe, so you are in luck. Once you have filled in the information about yourself, scroll down and you will see 20 multiple choice questions that you need to answer. Read the questions carefully and understand them clearly before ticking the right answer if you get stuck and you feel like you have no clue on which one is the right answer. Don't worry, I have a solution that will help you out. But I have an even much better solution at the end of this tutorial, which will help you to get a very good score on this test. In the meantime, here is a quick solution to help you answer some questions that you might not know. I want you to copy the question together with the answers and head over to this website called brainly.in. This is a website that has well over 350 million students that are willing and able to answer all your questions. You can imagine just how many brilliant minds are there to help you out. To get started on this website, you can sign up for a trial period, and they allow you to sign up using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account, which makes the sign-up process much easier. Alternatively, you can still use the service without even signing up. All you have to do is paste the question you copied from Proofreading Services in the search bar and click on Search. It takes less than 10 seconds to get the answer to your question, and once the search is complete, you will see a number of results they came up with. I advise you to click on any of the first two results where it says See Answers. Once you do that, you will find the answer to your question. You can do this for all the questions you don't understand, but remember, you don't want to spend more than 1 minute on each question because you will run out of time. You can also use Google to find the answers to your questions, as you already know Google is a very powerful search engine. Once you have handled all the multiple choice questions, scroll down and you will see a section where they want you to write down some sort of an essay about your city, where you are required to give advice to someone who might be considering moving to your city. So here they are only trying to test out your writing skills, but trust me, you don't need that either, because I'm going to show you some tools that will do that for you, and all thus needed of you is to tell it what to do. And if you read here on the notes section, it clearly states that your submission will be scanned for plagiarism. Now, what does that mean? You might ask. Well, simple. Plagiarism in simple terms is when you just copy and paste other people's work and ideas as your own. So why would you do that? Well, this is often practiced if you are just too lazy to write your own things, or you are just so uncreative. But for those of you out there that aren't in the mood for writing a bunch of love stories, I have you covered. So what I need you to do is this: just copy the questions and let's head over to our buddy, Mr. Google. Paste your question in the search bar and hit enter. As you can see, Google will give you a bunch of solutions in no time. But remember, we don't want to just copy and paste other people's work because that'll be plagiarism. Right? So let's do it the smart way. Once Google gives you a load of answers, just click on any of the websites ranking first. So in my case, I will just choose this one that says 7 things to consider when moving to a new city. And let us click on it. From here, they list down some things one must take into account before moving houses, such as basic necessities, housing costs, the employment market, and many more. But we are not going to copy the entire article. Instead, we will just copy some small portions from the first 4 top answers. Because according to our question, we only need about 3 to 4 sentences, so we don't need to copy a lot. Just open up Word or Notepad if you don't have Microsoft Word, or you can also use Google Docs, as long as it's something that allows you to write on, but don't use your book. So once that is opened, I'm going to use Word for the sake of this tutorial to illustrate. All I want you to do is copy some text from the given answers and paste in Microsoft Word. Continue doing that until you have at least 4 points. Now, before you go about pasting the answers, there are 2 more steps that you need to take into account. Remember, if you just submit what you have copied, they will detect plagiarism, and we don't want that. So let us run a quick test ourselves to check if truly there is plagiarism from our copied script.
How do we do that?
Good question. I want you to head over to Google and type in plagiarismdetector.net. Click on the link that comes up, and you will find yourself on the home page of the detector. Whilst on this page, you can see that there are many things you can do here as well. Scroll down and you will see a section that says enter text here to check plagiarism. Copy the text from Word or where you kept yours and paste it here. Then scroll down a bit and click on this button that says check plagiarism. Wait until the scan is complete and you will see that it has detected plagiarism from our copied text. So the question now is,
how do we solve the problem?
Good question, and lucky for you, I have just the answer. Here is what I need you to do. Copy the same text either from Microsoft Word, Notepad, or Google Docs. Head over to Google and type in article spinner. Click on the first link that comes up, and you will find yourself on this simple looking website, but trust me, it is very powerful and the good part is that it's totally free. So you won't be spending any money here. Articlespinner.com is a website that helps you to rewrite articles or texts and making them unique, hence escaping plagiarism. You can also use a website like qbot.com. It is also another great website that rewrites articles. Unlike Articlespinner, qbot.com is not totally for free, but you can use it to some limits. To use qbot, just copy and paste the text you want to rewrite in the first section and click on rephrase, and there you have it, your own unique article, which you can easily edit and swap up some words as they give you variety to choose from. Just click on the word you want to swap, and you will be presented with many options to choose from. So let us see how to use Articlespinner.com. To use it, just copy and paste the text you want to be rewritten. In the first section, solve the CAPTCHA and click on the Spin Text button, and in less than 15 seconds, you will get a newly rewritten text or article, which you can then copy and paste. Apart from rewriting articles, this tool can also help you correct grammatical errors. So let's now scan our rewritten text again using plagiarismdetector.net before submitting it. Just follow the same steps as we did before. If you are left out, you can always play back the video. And as you can see, this time around the detector has found zero plagiarism. Now, that is how we beat the system without writing stuff ourselves. Okay, let's now copy the text and head back to proofreadingservices.com for submission. I want you to paste your text in this column, scroll down a bit and click on yes, and choose 2 or more alternative job options that you may also be able to do. Once you are done, check this box to show that you have agreed to their terms of service and hit the submit button. Once your work has been submitted and you have followed every instruction given in this tutorial, there's a good chance that you might get accepted. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Hit that like button and leave a comment for any tutorial ideas, questions, or suggestions, and we'll gladly reply to all your comments. Let us get back to the tutorial. Now we are going to talk about how you are going to be making that $750 per day spelling names online. Once you get accepted, which I hope you do, you might receive your first assignment or task that may look something like this. It will include instructions on exactly what is required of you to do, as well as how much you are likely going to earn once you finish the assignment. Depending on your score between 1 to 100%, how much you make might vary, but if you score a 100% with the help of the tools I'm showing you, then you are looking at making $50 per page or per hour depending on how fast you are. And if we use our calculator, you can see that if one submits 15 pages, he or she can easily earn about $750 or more depending on your accuracy and how fast you are. So once you have received your first assignment, which could be about names of animals like we have here, or it could be about some random names, whatever the assignment may be, let me show you how you can go about correcting those misspelled words. What you can do is copy the words that need to be correctly spelled, head over to Google and type in languagetools.org and click on the first link that comes up. Once you are on the home page, you can sign up for free using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account, which eases up the signing process. Or you can still use the service without even signing up. Just paste your copied text here in the first column, and it will automatically detect all wrong spellings and give you suggestions which you can swap and get the right spellings. Languagetools.org is just one of the many websites out there. You can also use a site like becorrect.com, which pretty much does the same thing as well, or you can also use the common one called Grammarly. Just head over to Google and search for Grammarly.com. It is also another great website that solves many grammatical errors. What I would advise you to do instead is to install the extensions on your browser, be it Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. That way you can easily access and use these apps either in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, which will make things much easier for you. Once you have the extensions installed, you can go ahead and correct all misspelled words, and when you are done, copy the corrected work and submit as soon as possible to get more assignments. And that is all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your fortune as cash starts to flow in. If you have at least gotten any value from this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon. Smash that like button and leave a comment below for any questions, suggestions, or tutorial ideas you might want to see in the future uploads. I know some of you might say, hey, where's the bonus you promised? Well, here it is as promised. Go in the video description below and you will see a link that will lead you to all the answers for the application test, hence saving you a lot of time when answering the questions. Thank you for watching. If you want more ways to make money online, check out the other videos on the channel. Think big always and see you in the next upload.